Hey guys, just a quick look and to gather some first impressions at this Deenkee D40 robot vacuum cleaner. Let's take a look. Packaged really nicely. I like that. Little poster board. This is the app installation manual right here. We'll get into that in just a moment. Let's take a look at the main piece. Peel that back so we can have a better look at it. Looks like in certain lights, looks black, then it looks dark blue. I got it up to a pretty bright light, so I do see some navy blue in there. Get this off so you guys can get a really good look. 360 view. It's pretty weighty. Doesn't feel cheap. I'm going to send this on the charger for a little bit, or we can get it up and running. Check that out. Got a little wheel right there. Give it that 360 motion. Here's our, what would be called a beater bar. It does have a charge. Look at that. We'll on switch right here. Shut that off. I don't want this thing taken off on me just yet. Let's take a look at some of these other accessories we have in here. Here's our charger. Looks like we got a little mop pad right here. Feels nice and soft. Won't do any damage to your hardwood floors or anything. You could just dust mop in the floor too. You could just go with this dry. Give it a good dust mop. Here's our brushes right here. We got 4. Get this guy out here. It's a tricky one. There we go. 4, and they are identical. Got a little cleaning brush right here. So there's that little razor on there too. Gotta cut some strings off. Maybe some strings might get caught. Got your little razor. Magnets. Sticking even in the bag. Gotta love it. There's a filter. You know what to do with that. Check this out. There's our water tank right here with a mop already on it. A little friendly reminder, please take the water out when charging. That's probably good advice. And this is where you just send it home. Charger right here, there we go. Nice little port right there for the charger. Stick that right in. Good to go. Alright guys, once again, this is it. The Deenkee robot vacuum. We're going to get this all situated, guys. Get this armed up and ready for battle. Thanks for checking it out.